When I started the weight loss, the fat loss rather, I was so fat, and so I had 38% body fat, and it looked like I would never make it, because when I started the process, I was like, in the first 2 weeks, though you lose faster at that rate in the beginning, but still you realize that बाप रे, it's a long way to go यार. 2 हफ्ते में आपने, चलो अगर 4 किलो भी यू लूज किया तो उसमें से पूरा 4 किलो शायद फैट ना हो. And at that time I felt very disheartened in the beginning. I felt ये नहीं होएगा मेरे से. I've taken on more than I can chew. अब पंगा ले लिया मैंने इस दफा. ये होएगा नहीं. So I used to look at myself in the mirror and I was really fat, So I was like, this is not going to happen. And then I said, if I keep looking at where I'm supposed to reach and where I am now, it will scare me. It will dishearten me. I'll stop. I'll give up. I don't want to give up. So I stopped doing that. Instead of, if I have to climb Himalaya and I'm sitting here on the plains at sea level and I'm looking at Himalayas, I'm thinking I'll never make it. Too difficult. So I said I stopped looking at the destination and I stopped looking at the distance I have to travel. Instead, I made my gaze go lower and I just looked down and I said, where is my next step going to be? आज का कदम किधर डालना है? इधर डालना है. Next कदम इधर, next कदम इधर. Every day, it's one day at a time. Think one day at a time. Tell yourself that today I will not break my diet. Just today. Don't think of 5 months. Today I will keep my diet. Today I will stick to what I'm supposed to do. Don't look up, because if you look up, you say, "अरे बहुत दूर है." ऊपर नहीं देखने का, नीचे देखने का. Head down, one step at a time, one step at a time. And then, when you do that continuously for 3-4 months, then when you look up, you feel, "अरे यार, इतना दूर नहीं है, काफी अपन नजदीक आ गए." तो फिर थोड़ा excitement आता है कि अरे it's happening. So don't compare the distance every day. You will feel disheartened. At least in my case, because the distance was so far. That was one. Second is I had some tactics. Now what happens is that, as we all know, workout is important, but much more important than that is the diet you follow, the nutrition you follow. Much more important than that. I can lose weight without doing an inch of workout. Not a single day I need to work out, but just by following a healthy, balanced diet, I will be able to lose the fat. So, for me, following the diet was more important than the training actually. And in that, I had some tactics. Now, what happens is that when you are following the diet, on a particular day you feel weak. I have a lot of meetings at home. I'm sitting at home and someone has come to meet me. Obviously, my guests are served with food, snacks, food, sandwiches, samosas, wafers, all the very things I'm not supposed to eat is put in front of them. तो कभी-कभी मुझे लगता है यार एक समोसा तो मार ही लेते हैं यार. So my first tactic is that when I'm tempted, tell yourself, if you're tempted to have that ice cream or that cake or that samosa, tell yourself, yeah, no problem, Amir, you're going to have it. Just give it 5 minutes. अभी मत खा, 5 मिनट के बाद खा ले. Just delay it by 5 minutes. You will be surprised. In that 5 minutes, आपका बैलेंस संतुलन वापस आ जाता है. आपको नहीं अच्छा हुआ मैंने नहीं खाया यार. 5 मिनट में मेरे को अकल ठिकाने आ गई मेरी. Just by delaying it by 5 minutes, it makes a big difference. Suddenly you realize कि you know what? Actually I'm okay without it here. इतना टेंशन नहीं हो रहा है. So most days that works. On some days that fails. Even after 5 minutes you're like यार 5 मिनट हो गए अब तो मेरे को लेना ही पड़ेगा. So then I have a second tactic. If the first step doesn't work, I tell myself, okay, I will have the samosa, but after a glass of water. तो फटाक से 1-2 गिलास पानी पी लेने का. तो जब पानी जाता है ना पेट में तो लगता है कि भर गया यार पेट, अभी खाने का इतना मन नहीं कर रहा है. तो water is a good extinguisher of the desire to suddenly eat something. So that is a second tactic of mine. Then if that also doesn't work now, and you feel कि नहीं यार I have to have it, and there are times when you end up breaking your diet. Now there are ways and means of breaking your diet. Suppose there are 2 ways and means of breaking your diet. I'm very hungry. whatever portions doctor has given me, they are over. It's now 12 o'clock at night. I'm reading a book or I'm watching a film and it is going to go on for another 1 hour. I'm very hungry. I need to eat something. I'm very hungry. Now, at that time, I'm going to be breaking my diet. मैं भी समझ गया हूँ 5 मिनट निकल गया है, पानी 2 गिलास पी लिया है, और सब कुछ हुआ नहीं फायदा. अभी मेरे को खाना पड़ेगा कुछ. So instead of eating an ice cream or a chocolate or something which is, you know, sugar and deep fried and, you know, आप 4 egg white omelette with 1 toast. तो आपका पेट भी भर जाता है और इतना कैलोरी अंदर नहीं जाता. So eat something sensible at that time. If you really have to break your diet, eat something sensible. Have a fruit, you know. Eat something sensible. And if you're tempted for something non-sensible, कि यार मेरे सामने जो आइसक्रीम पड़ी है वो मुझे खाना है और अब सब टैक्टिक्स हो गया और मुझे खाना ही पड़ेगा, तो फिर क्वांटिटी कम्स इन प्ले. जस्ट ईट 1 स्पून. तो क्या मेंटली आपने खा भी लिया, आपको उसका टेस्ट भी मिल गया और आपने बड़ा डैमेज नहीं किया कि पूरा टब खाली आइसक्रीम का, मतलब यहाँ का वहाँ हो गया. हाँ, सब दही हो गया सब. So these are the things I used to follow. One very important thing, you have to measure yourself once a week. That is very important. Every Sunday I measure myself because that tells me कि are you on track or not? Has this week gone well or not? How much is the weight loss? How much is the measurement loss? And how much is the fat loss based on caliper? I go by the caliper method. तो पता चलता है कि मैं सही रास्ते पे जा रहा हूँ, नहीं जा रहा हूँ, कुछ गड़बड़ हो रही है. I need to report to doctor. Every week I send him the measurements. So he comes to know if he wants to alter the diet, he can tell me something. But if I don't measure myself, I won't know where I'm headed. Is there progress? Is there not progress? So
Right.
measuring yourself every week is very important.